Hey everyone, welcome back to the new video. I'm Vidhushi Sharma from Middle Class Luxury, a travel enthusiast from middle class family. So, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to be a part of my journey and let's get started. I recently traveled to Macloedganj, which was my first girls trip and also a budget trip. I'm gonna tell you how can you travel to McLeodganj in just rupees 5000 with itinerary of 3 nights and 4 days covering every main attraction. When you travel, there are basic three things which are included, which are stay, food and travel. If we talk about decreasing the travel cost, always travel in group. Now I'll talk about our budget trip. We hired a Swift Desire as we were four girls traveling. It costed us about rupees 2200 up and down per person from Jammu to Bhagsunak. So Bhagsunak is 2 kilometers far from McLeodganj. On first day, we reached Bhagsunak. Instead of booking a hotel, we booked a hostel to save the cost on stay. It costed us about 450 rupees per day per person. Isn't that amazing? We visited the Bhagsunak waterfall, which was only 700 meters away from our hostel. I suggest you to always book your stay in Bhagsunak as it is less crowded and is on walking distance from the waterfall. If we talk about the food, it was maximum rupees 500 per day per person, and this is the maximum cost I'm telling you spending on food. On the very second day, we visited the market of Bhagsunak, Macloedganj Church and Monastery, which was closed unfortunately. If you are traveling on budget, here's a pro tip. Try to cover the distance by walking on foot. So Macloedganj was only 2 kilometers away from Bhagsunak, so we covered it on foot. The church was another 1 kilometer away from Macloedganj and we covered it in the same way on foot. On third day, we left our hostel on 10 a.m. in the morning for the most beautiful place, which is Triund. The distance from Bhagsunak waterfall to Triund is 9 kilometers with steep and medium difficulty trek. We booked the trekking package in rupees 900 per person, which included a guide, evening snacks, dinner, a tent, and morning breakfast. Every company has their own charges, so bargain a little and you'll find the best package. We returned after night stay in Triund on fourth day, which was magical. Do visit to Triund, I highly recommend. And that's all. We returned back to home on the fourth day after having lunch, and that was the same day on which the flash flood hit the Bhagsunak in evening. We luckily left in the afternoon. Adding up the cost, it's rupees 5000 per person. So, if you like the video, like it, comment it and share to your friends because why to worry about the charges when you can travel in budget. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.